This is my cabin in the sky, my off-grid camp. And it's just some peaceful quiet out here in the woods. Nobody to bother you. So, I'm going to keep track of you this time, okay? I'm going to go down a different way. I don't want you getting distracted on me. So, let's see if we can't take a different path down out of here this time without falling down, crashing and burning. Hey, watch out there, buddy. Come on. Let's go this way. Hey, come on now. Pay attention. Let's not trash the crap out of me, okay? Sorry about the ground shot. I know nobody wants to look at that. Got a little bit of debris to pick up around here. Oops. I guess my dog is going to help me. Yeah. come on, get back here. Cut that out, will you? Turkey. You know, look for trees that look like they're dead, but there's nothing in here that's that big. I already scalped the crap out of this place before I got here. Been trying to get it to grow up. These ash trees, they don't do too well. That one's still growing at the top, it's amazingly. So, I don't know, I thought there was one tree in here somewhere, but I guess I must be mistaken. Yeah, that's not it. Yep, I don't see anything here. I have to go back up on top, way the heck up on there, and see what's up there. I go up through this ravine, I can probably pull something out of there. It looks like actually there's something falling down in there. So, all right, let's continue on down. Dude, I really wish you'd stop wrapping me up here. Hey, buddy, over here. Come on. It's not go getting crazy mania here on me. I have spring water runs down off the mountain here. And boy, I gotta tell you, come on, bud. I'm a native Vermonter, and I've always had good, clean water. I've never had to have any of these filtration systems. Here's my target practicing. The old dryer took a beating there. Yeah. That's for trespassers we don't want around here. Yeah. My Trump advisor says I need to keep in tip-top shape. Yeah. Keep them son of a bitches out of here. Yep. So this water we got here is really good. Spring water. Yep. Best tasting water I've ever tasted. And that's saying a lot for this state, because this state is polluted all the way to freaking China. Hudson River's a pollution tank. Mohawk's another one. All the lakes around here, they're just full of boats pissing and shitting all over the place. So, small lakes, I wouldn't eat any fish out of them, that's for sure. Good spot for deer right over in there, I can tell you that much. I've seen them up here a lot. I gotta put this thing down, my dogs get all tangled up in a twig here. So, hope you enjoyed the hike. This is just a piece of it. There's more up on top. Someday I'll take a walk up there. I've been battling this flu thing here for over a month now. I'm getting tired of that. It's getting old fast. So, but it's beautiful out here. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, throw a thumbs up at me, subscribe.